Your Chris 6 weather forecast.
Hi everybody, welcome back and a good Monday afternoon to you. We made it through the weekend with hotter temperatures that kept going today. Morning low 80, afternoon high 98 degrees, just 2 off the all-time record. We'll be close again tomorrow at 101, but notice the record was set a year ago. And we were in a big drought and heat wave last year at this time until it all changed on August 1st, but that's not going to happen, I don't believe, this year. Our rainfall and nothing going on with the blue skies, about 1.5 inches below normal for the year. There's those beautiful blue skies that are going to change here by the end of the week. 96 degrees right now, southeasterly breeze at 16, and around the region, temperatures still triple-digit levels inland. We've got 96, 88 over in Aransas Pass, 86 in Port Aransas, some of the lower numbers along the coast, of course. And then the heat index, 114 here in Corpus Christi, higher than anywhere else on the map right now. And we topped out at about 116 this afternoon, same as we had yesterday. And I believe that that number will go over 120 later this week. Here's the feel like forecast. It stays in the 90s tonight. Oh boy, here comes the heat again. 114 at 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. And beyond that, we will top out even higher. Take a look at the excessive heat risk here. And tomorrow's graph shows on the borderline between very high and extreme between noon and about 2 p.m. And that tops out here at 115 plus. And then it goes higher than that and lasts longer than that on Wednesday, up to 115 to 120. So there it is. And again, that applies to just about everywhere in the coastal bend. It's actually a little better further inland because there's not as much humidity there away from the wind coming in off the Gulf of Mexico, bringing the high humidity into the region and wrapping in around this area low pressure in North Texas, where north of there it's relatively cool across the region. The water vapor imagery shows high pressure is dominating there. The vapor is not showing up on here for some reason, but the bottom line is, there it is, just boom, popped right up, and it is bone dry. That little disturbance that caused a little bit of rain here, except out to the west, the big rain last Friday, is now over here in North Florida. You can see it laying right in there, and that's just about gone. We're left with dry air in the region, and that high pressure is going to continue to dominate all the way across the southwestern deserts into Texas, and by the end of the week, all the way across the Gulf of Mexico. Here we go on Sunday and into Monday. Look at the dominance of that high. It's just unreal. And so is our rainfall opportunity. It really doesn't exist all the way in the next week from now, with above average temperatures beyond that for July 18th through the 24th. And to couple that, we have drier than normal conditions here as well, wetter weather in the east and up into New England. There's a lot of dust, Saharan dust coming across the Atlantic, and a little bit showing up here, but the mother load of this is going to arrive on Thursday. The good news is that the bad news is we have to deal with it and our air quality goes down, but the good news is it inhibits tropical activity. So there's a storm that's going to form in the Atlantic, but it's north of all this, and so far north it's not even going to affect the United States eventually. 80 tonight for the low, 78 in George West, and 98 here tomorrow, but 106 tomorrow in George West, 103 in Alice, 106 for Freer, and a 7-day forecast. 98 tomorrow, scorching hot, a little more wind means only 97 here, but dangerous heat index values Wednesday through Saturday. Wind lays and it goes to 99 on Sunday and 98 a week from today with still no rain in sight.